Alright, so thermostat is down here. You can't see anything because this is in the way. So it's just that. I'm not sure what size Allen key. It's just to take this bracket off to move this vacuum reservoir out of the way. Drain the coolant. So I will take that off now. It's like a running thing with my cars. Thermostats are always gone. Good thing about these, on the radiator, on the passenger's front, there's actually a tap there. And a nice turny wheel to drain the coolant. How nice is that for a change? So I'll just ignore that wire. Drain it. And yeah, crack on with the thermostat. And she's away. It was like quarter turn anti-clockwise and pulled out a bit. So we'll leave that. Oh, it's a 8mm, which if you got the wearer, it's the pink one. It was actually so tight I had to use my shifter for extra leverage. So take that out, and then this whole reservoir will come out of the way, and we can get to this pipe down here, which is your thermostat. Okay, well that's merrily draining away down there. Vacuum reservoir well out of the way. So it's this here, the 10mm bolts. The bottom one is a bit hard to get to, so with an extension on your ratchet you should get it. Just do it the driver side of the cable going to the alternator and you should be good. Take them off, put some paper towel down and a futile attempt to catch all the coolant. It's not going to work. Just wash it away with plenty of water if you spill any, because it's not good for animals. Okay, so the bolts are out. I read on a forum that this is meant to twist and pull out. I'm not sure, so I'm just going to yank it off and see what happens. Ooh, glug glug glug. Yeah, more spillage. Let's deal with that first. So it's out. There's a lot more coolant behind that. So I emergency water bucketed it. Yeah, it looks like they were sent me a different type. I've had this before, haven't I? So this has got a seal that goes around the lip of it. That looks like it's the thermostat goes in the block, and then there's a seal on top of that. I'll pull it out and check in a minute. I think it's actually this that twists and then pulls out of the pipe. But anyway, I had the foresight, just in case. I've got the seal that you can just put on top. So we'll see how it goes. So yeah, it twists and pulls out of the pipe. So that's that. I'm not going to bother putting in boiling water to see if it works, but it does. The spring's okay. That's the seal that came out of it. The new one, I've taken this seal off the edge of here just to check. It's exactly the same shape, profile, dimensions, blah 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 blah. And then this is the new seal. Where am I going? To go on the pipe. So I think it will seal. It looks a bit different, but it's both 87 degrees Celsius. It's new, so I'm going to fit it anyway. See how it goes. Okay, I didn't film that. It's back in. The new one is in. The new one was wrong. I think I got it from Euro Car Parts, so I'm not going to quote that part number. This is the old one, and it was like the shoulder of the new one. If you can see where it's like it goes in more. On the new one, it was the same thickness as the bottom half all the way up, so it wouldn't turn into the lugs on that housing pipe there. I need to put that clip back on. Good thing I recorded that. so it wouldn't seat in all the way, which was strange. So all I've done is put the new thermostat in the block, put the new seal on top, and then put that in, and it's tightened down all the way to 10 ugga-duggers. So yeah, probably not the right thing to do, but I mean, they open at the same temperature, which is 87 degrees, as you can see there. But this is obviously a genuine VAG group one, so for that I wouldn't mess about. I should have gone to get a genuine one from Skoda up the road, but it's Sunday, Noah's open, I need the car for tomorrow for work, so if it works, what does Vice Grip Garage say? Is it really a dumb idea if it works? We'll see. And there we have it, thermostat done.